Hi everybody, this video we're going to talk about how to use the style transfer method to apply whatever style to an image that we want. So let's go. You're going to use Google Colab to run this. The implementation of the model is in TensorFlow. In the description is going to be a link to the tutorial about this. I already implemented the model and I made a Google Colab with easy input so you can try it out with your images. Alright, so the first thing that we need to select is a style image. I recommend selecting an image with textures and colors because the algorithm performs better with those. But of course you can try whatever style you want. We're going to select one of those paintings because I found that they produce pretty cool results, like converting the real image into a canvas painting. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this gallery so you can try this up. We then need to select an image to apply the styles on. So we need to copy the image link and then extract the image ID from the link. Assume you are using images from Unsplash. You can use images from other sources too. We then copy the ID of the content image in the corresponding input. You can toggle these to use images from Unsplash or direct link to an image that you want. We do the same with the style image, and again you can do the same with this toggle. This input here is the folder where the results are going to be saved in your Google Drive that we are going to mount as the first step. So alright, we have our content image, we have our style image, we only need to run everything. So first we connect to the instance, then we run the first cell to mount our Google Drive to the instance. To connect we need to authorize, so we copy the auth key and we hit enter, and here in this toggle we can test the results by running the model with a smaller image. This allows us to see the results faster. If you want to see the full res, you can toggle this off. We run the following cells and you'll see that this one will show us the images. So we have here the content image and the style image. So now what the algorithm will do is classify the content image to know what things to keep and what things to focus on to give more style. As we can see, the classifier classified correctly that we have a sort of a parrot in the content image. Nice, we are already there. We run these two libraries and then the cell that generates the result. We have an error here. It seems that the toggle of the test didn't run correctly. This is cool because I can explain something. If you want to run this with another image, you will need to restart the instance so we can clean the memory of the instance. Now that we have the instance fresh, we can make sure to toggle the test input true, so we can see the results faster. We then run all the cells again. As you can see here, the dots are going faster. When we see that the results are looking good, we can run the model with the full res image. When the algorithm finishes, you need to hit this cell to save the results to your Google Drive. So we are going to toggle this test input off and run the model with the full res image. One trick to do this is to go to runtime and restart and run all. Alright, now we need to wait this. This can take up like 20 minutes, but the results are worth it. So let's go. Alright, these are the results of the algorithm. To me, this is really awesome. There is faster models out there, for sure, but there is a couple of advantages of using this. First, you can use whatever style you want. Second, the output of the model are better, I may show, to other solutions out there. And lastly, it's fun. You feel like hacking doing this. It's awesome. So, alright, I hope you enjoy and try out the algorithm. If you do, please send me the results to Twitter at RamsonDeploy. If you want to know how all this works, I can make a video about it. And that's it. Bye. Peace.